Now this is the day 7 activity of the Python and Artificial Intelligence Bootcamp. This is about object detection, and basically what we're doing, there's a built-in sprite that you can get from here called square box, so we called it. We imported the time module so we can have the delays. We defined object as object detection, pen as pen. So first we clear it. We put the threshold of 0.5. Different thresholds will give you different detection rate, so you can play with these. And we start by analyzing the stage and disabling the box. Then for I is in the range of 1 in object count plus 1. So we are actually looking at the range of what has been detected. So we already analyzed the stage. We already know how many there are. So for each one of them, we're going to set the x of that object, x of I. So for example, first object, we set the x. Second object, we set the y. First object, first object, first object, second object, second object, second object, etc. So for each object, we'll set the x, set the y, and set the width. Then we're going to say what that object that we found. So let's say for the first object, for example, if it was the bicycle that was the first object detected, so we'll set its x with what we found, and we'll set for the first object, we'll get the x of it, the y of it, set the width of it, and then we're going to set that this is a bicycle. If this is detected in the object knowledge base that this is a bicycle, we'll say bicycle. If it detected a human, we'll say human. Detected a car, we'll say a car, like here. So let us actually, and then what it says is pen.stamp, stamp, so it will leave it there, and then we'll sleep for 2 seconds, delay, and then we'll go again. So if it detected 5 objects, it's going to do this 5 times. Okay, so for every object we set the x and y and width from what we detected, then we say its name, and stamp will leave whatever was drawn, so the square that was drawn there, it will leave it there, and then move next one and draw it, next one, draw it. So let's run it, and we'll see how. Okay, so detected bicycle, detected car, and now detected person. Another bicycle in the background, another person in the background, another bicycle. Well, that's it, finished. There is no other person in the background. So it detected this bicycle, the car, and the person. So as we see, for each one of them, it found what the width is and x and y, set them, and there we had the box, and it said stamp it. So we end up with the box left there. Then for the next one, same, next one the same, and it says what it is. So it said bicycle, car, human. So that's a simple example, and the text is straightforward, the code is straightforward, and you can play around with various thresholds. And that's it for this exercise. See you in the next one.